Hi everyone. Um, Today is day 91. Honestly, I'm really glad. I am going to find a few things to work on my little collage here. I still have papers that I want to use up, if I can figure out how. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Anyways, I'm going to get busy. And I always use one of the images out of my little bin. I need a quote. Is there any left in here? Surely I have some quotes left in here. Or I need some words or something, so find something on there. Okay, I'm going to get busy. I'll talk to you later, and have fun. Well, guys, this is day 91. Yeah, each day gets closer. I really liked how this one came out. I was going to use, oh, I don't know where I buried her. I was going to use another lady that was wearing a real skimpy silver dress. And all of a sudden, this one in the white kind of decided to be on there. And I think she looks real Star Warsy. I know that's kind of weird, but so did the photo that I took out of my little book. So it just was kind of a contrasty thing that said it needed to be out there. So that's what I did. You know how that goes. I do like how this one came out. It took a little bit to get it to balance for me. Visually, the extra little dots. These dots sort of call attention to my butterfly, even though he stands out anyways, and then these dots just kind of make your eye move. It's all about the way your eye moves around a page sometimes. So anyways, I'm going to quit talking. I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book, and I'm going to get on with the next project. Make sure your inner world is a happy place to be. Without it, you are simply a puppet of your surroundings. Oh my. Okay. That one is an interesting one. Okay, guys, I want you to go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.